I'm going to teach you guys how to restore and clean your old vintage glass for your Mustang, or actually any car really, even modern cars. For the Mustang, we actually have the back glass still, and it's in really, really bad shape. It has a bunch of overspray from primer when they were doing body work, and it has a bunch of grime and calcium on it. So I'm going to teach you guys how to clean that. I actually worked at an auto glass shop one of my family members owned for a long time, so I kind of know a little bit about glass. So let's go ahead and get to it. All you're really gonna need is a bunch of razor blades that you can get at Harbor Freight, some kind of lubricant like Windex. You're gonna need a bunch of microfibers to keep it clean. Let's go and get it started. So as you can see here, I already did a trial run on this side. I got that side pretty clean, but that's what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to get that all cleaned up. This still needs a little bit more work, but I got a lot of the overspray and the silicone that's stuck here on the sides. So you could hear it. It has a bunch of overspray on it, so we'll go ahead and start cleaning it. So here's our glass that we're going to use. All you're going to use is some razor blades that you can get at Harbor Freight, some microfiber rags, make sure they're clean. And then once these start getting dull, you want to go ahead and replace it. I already started with this one yesterday, so we'll continue on it with it. And then you're also going to need a lot of lubricant. So this is just a Chemical Guys bottle with a bunch of Windex in there. That's all it really is. So let's get to it. I guess I'll start in the middle since that's a little easier for me. Just spray it really so it's very lubricated. And then you're gonna hold the blade at a 45 angle. Okay, so if you're holding the blade, let's say this is straight down on the glass, right? You're gonna hold it like that. That's a 45 angle. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And then make sure it's lubricated and that you have a sharp blade, because if not, you're going to scratch your glass. I'm telling you. All you do is scratch away. And you'll feel resistance, and when you don't see any more fluid, that's when you need more fluid. Just keep spraying it. This was my job when I used to work at the auto glass shop. We would sell used glass and new glass. And a lot of the times the old glass was all dirty and had a bunch of crap on it. So we'd have to clean it like this. Just how I'm cleaning it now. So it seems like I got this part pretty clean now. So we're gonna go ahead and get a microfiber and wipe it down. I'm going to change the blade because I already did half of it when I was doing my test sample, so I'll get another one. Leave that one off to there. We'll do another quarter. When I say quarters, do it like this. Break it up in those kind of quarters like that. So go ahead and saturate it with some lubricant, preferably window cleaner. Well, I don't think water will work. It has to have some kind of soap. We always used window cleaner. So Windex for a house will work. You can find that anywhere. Or it could be automotive, it don't matter. I'm going to switch the size so I have cleaner surfaces. When you use a microfiber, you can use 4 pieces so you don't recontaminate stuff. When you start getting that junk, you want to clean that off your blade. You still have some overspray. Alright, I'm going to switch it to the other side. We gotta be careful with the other side because it is concave and we could break it. We'll flip it over and clean that side. This side's in a little worse shape. I don't know what that is, like mildew or something, I don't know. So there's the glass, guys, completely detailed, looks brand new again. There's still some pieces that I can't see until I get in the sun, but I can attack it once it's mounted on the car. So you can see it's nice and clear compared to what it was. Looks perfect. You guys can see it's very simple. A lot of this stuff with this muscle car is just elbow grease and time. You don't need a lot of money to make a big difference to restore these cars. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.